I'm going to pick long, and I'm going to try to front run red to green. They're idiots. The streaming got them the new signups. Now they won't make it possible to make money on Apex and pass. Yeah, we'll see. All right, we got 30 seconds. I want to come right about here. What's that look like? Yeah, that's what we want. Front run red to green above these orders. See what happens. Might miss a straight if it just goes lower. But try to go lower. Not really sure how that would have played out anyway. If we get tagged in, hopefully continue in. Come on, need the extra push. Let's run in the resistance. Damn. Tagged us in right at. See if we can get the extra push. 2 days in a row. 2 days in a row. What a bummer. Why not just blow the account while we're at it? Should have just stuck to the short. Tried to do what I did yesterday. It's gonna get me. Oh, this is a bummer. Just needed two days in a row to work and had to come in and tag us. Come up and tag us. Kind of expecting if we do come all the way back up here, we'll get a decent little push up to at least test green to, or red to green. But it's really struggling to get through this again. What a bummer. Basically, have to start the... You're not starting over, but you're pretty close to it. You take 2 losses like that. We can get back up through here. I think we'll at least push up, but it just cannot seem to get up there. Gotta go. It's gotta go. One good push. Needs to stay above here. See all the support here to the left. Needs to use it as support again. So we just get up through here. We'll get that. We should definitely get that little push if it does. Come on. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Candle's about to close. Hopefully it stays up here. Oh, that was the opposite of what we how we wanted the candle to close. Wow, that's brutal. What a brutal candle closing. It was at the highs and within 5 seconds it was at the lows of that candle. That's brutal. Went from thinking we definitely got it to almost guaranteed we stop out here. Well, no matter how this trade plays out, we'll be going over to the eval from here. Well, that's actually good if we can get back up there. Then it looks like we couldn't get back through the lows. Just chopping this little zone for the rest of the day. Wouldn't that be funny? Pretty sure this would get us around break even if we get it. Somewhere around there. I don't know for sure. But it's looking like it's just gonna... It really is struggling to go higher. Yeah, jeez. It's going down so much easier than it's going up. Like the way that it just flows down and then fights to go up, it just, that's the price action. That's me just reading price action. That's why I'm saying I'm not confident in it working, but I was essentially just hoping, and hope is not a strategy. But see how it's just fighting to even try to go up, but every time it would move down like that, it just flows down. This feels like they're going to at least test the lows. If we somehow win on this trade, it's a miracle, but it does not feel like it's going to happen. Is really using that as support though. Oh, is this the time we get it? Maybe? If we go back to the lows again, we are 100% getting stopped out. There's no way it doesn't test through the lows if it goes back down there. But I feel that same way about these high levels too. If we can get through there, we should at least try to go higher. Oh, one good push. Just cannot get that extra push. See how it's fighting? There we go. Go, go. Just one pop it, pop it, pop it. Pop it. There we go. Sweet. All right. All right. Well, somehow we got out of that for a pretty small loss overall, and we'll move on to tomorrow, because we have tomorrow and then the 20th is on Monday, so we can still get the payout if we make 250 on tomorrow as well as the next. But I'm not going to mess with that one anymore. Let's mess around with this. Literally just gonna hit it and just let it go. Which way? Long or short? These are just evals, man. I am not worried about these. And there's no more news at this point, so it's kind of a waste. Alright. Counting on us rolling over. Need 113 ticks? Jeez. That's a long ways down. Where's the ticks? It will go down, but going to have those small pullbacks? Yeah, we'll see. We need it to go to low a day without crazy pullbacks. I'm already done with these 250k accounts, man. It's like impossible. With the drawdown, it's next to impossible. And if you try to trade it correctly, it's going to literally take forever. And they knew that. Can we do 1-to-1 for stop? Oh yeah, 100%. You can do 1-to-3. You just can't go over 1-to-3. That's where they draw the line. This is actually a Diet Dr. Pepper. I had one left. All right, here's the initial move. But now we have to deal with the drawdown. That's the issue here. This is what I'm saying. You need 15,000 in profit, but you only get 6,500 in drawdown. At least with the 50Ks, you get, it's a lot closer. You need 3K in profit, but you get 25K in draw, or 2,500 in drawdown. So like the ratio is a lot different. Like my stop for 6,500 from my entry would have been somewhere around here. But now I can't make it back to there because it went in my favor. So my drawdown moves. So now 6,500 is probably somewhere around, not even here. It's probably even lower. Probably somewhere like around here, which is just complete crap. And every time it moves in your direction, it's going to keep doing that. So it's kind of crap. I only had one pack of them. I wanted a little different flavor. I'll never cheat on my Coke Zero overall. Love me some Coke Zero. Cherry Coke Zero is very good. I'm still on the hunt for the Code Red Mountain Dew Zero. I was really hoping we would just blast through red to green or green to red. But yeah, now I'm pretty positive we can't even get back to high day now with the drawdown. Yeah, not even close. Like we're already almost there. Like we're probably out right here. Yeah. See? Look at that. Look how close to my entry we got stopped out because of drawdown. And that's why the 250K, that's why they did this. They knew people would just load money into these and this would happen. Ooh, Cherry Coke Zero? Nah, Cherry Coke Zero is pretty good. All right, well, no more of the 250K accounts. I wasted enough on those. You have to be a part of like the 8:30 news on Wednesday. You gotta be kidding me. Like to the tick. Could you imagine? No, there's not special rules. It's right now there's a big discount on them. So you can get them for the same price as the 50Ks. And you can also activate the lifetime for $85. So it's pretty amazing. But no, there's nothing special other than that. I'm also not going to trade my other accounts now because I'm pretty pissed. Especially if this just goes. Can you imagine this just goes straight to low a day? Oh my. Oh my. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now? You kidding me right now? Almost to the tick. 710, and it went to 710.50. Literally to the tick. Where was our take profit at? It was at 678.75. Oh my god. You cannot tell me I am not unlucky. You just can't. You can't tell me I'm not unlucky. This shit happens all the time. If you guys were here this morning for the morning stream, you saw me miss my take profits by 1 tick, 2 ticks, 1 tick, 2 ticks, over and over again. And now I get stopped out almost to the tick, and then it just falls off the face of the earth. Literally, my buys, look at this, 710.25, 710, 710.50. The high of this candle, 710.50. What can you do but laugh? Seriously, what can you do but laugh?